Welcome to Microsoft Inspire. We're at the HPE booth. Today we're talking about Azure Stack, and we're pleased to announce that we started shipping our Gen10 Azure Stack last month in June, and customers are really excited about our Gen10 capacity. We're roughly twice the capacity of our previous generation of Azure Stack, and so that's really exciting here to show at the show today. Also, we're getting a lot of attention with customers who are using Azure Stack in kind of new ways we hadn't seen last year, and what they're doing is things like, we call them disconnected and also edge services, where they might be on a cruise ship. We even have a military group in the world who is thinking about putting us on the back of a Humvee and having battlefield deployments on the edge of the internet so that they can actually deploy Azure Stack with Wi-Fi and our Aruba networks, so we can do battlefield deployed networks. So it's just a prototype they're talking about right now, but it's kind of exciting. You know, we hadn't heard about that use case before, so I thought I would share it with you. So we have our Azure Stack Innovation Centers, and obviously not everybody can make it to Bellevue, which is our US-based one. And we also have them in Singapore and in Geneva. So we're now deploying those Azure Stack Innovation Center concepts and workshops. We're now teaching them and bringing them to the customer on-premise. So we're now actually, I like to say, putting an engineer in a box, shipping them to the customer, and we're conducting the same workshops on-premise and also at local Microsoft MTC offices around the US. So Azure Stack allows customers to have a private cloud instance of Azure. So typically it's an on-prem, could be in a leased data center or a customer data center, but it basically gives them the Azure consistent services and all the apps that are in Azure, but allows them to deploy it on site. Common example would be customers who have sovereignty or compliance issues where they kind of want to make sure the data is in their possession within their data center. And they still use the public cloud for command and control or interactions or replication, but they want really local high-speed performance and massive amounts of data, and that's where Azure Stack's a really good fit.